Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we're back at our Oxford Road project. Final stage is getting this driveway replaced. It's about a 43-yard pour. We're going to be putting a new sidewalk in. Also stopping it at the garage entrance. Long overdue. Got our friends at Jason Garcia Concrete helping us out on this one. Looking forward to seeing this finished product. It's pour on a hill, a little more difficult, but we're gonna make it happen. First day of demolition here. Using the hammer to get all this broken up in chunks. And we'll cart all that off, scrape it out tomorrow, get it formed up. Should have this done in the next 2 to 3 days. So give us a call if we can help you out with any kind of concrete work, 478-501-0102. Got the crews, equipment, and most of all experience to get it right for you the first time. Thank you for watching.